Jeremy Damaris has been thrown into deep pain thutha wake kurekereria ndumiriri kwitukira mutambo wake wa Facebook. JD ayirwo ni kieha ni undu wa kwamukira mukana mururu kuma gwi kambuni ya YouTube notithi iria ahetwo na kwamukira ya kunina wira wake kaimana na gutharia video ciake ciothe mutambo-ini wake wa YouTube, haria amukirite roboti kuma headquarters ya YouTube akimenyithio thiini wa kahinda ga kiumia kimwe mutambo wake wa YouTube channel ni ugufutwo uthario no thire kaimana termination of his YouTube account thutha wake kuuna mawatho ma YouTube community guidelines na kwamukira copyright strike ya guthaka na kuinithia nyimbo ciene mutambo-ini ucio wake. Na Jeremy niwe urekereirie uhoro uyu akiuga, someone is trying to terminate my YouTube channel that has helped so many people. I am told it will be terminated on December 27th. Gîcanjama Mugo and Reverend Dr. Mugo wa Magi nimewafanyia nini, na gucoka kuromereria na screenshot ya notithi iyo tauria uramiona haha copyright strikes. For copyright strike, your account will be terminated on December 27th, 2023. Your YouTube channel will be terminated soon along with any associated channel unless you are able to resolve your strikes during this period. Strikes will not expire and you will not be able to upload new videos. Copyright strike iria hetwo ni undu wa nyimbo cia muini wa nyimbo cia kugoca Ngai oekaine ta Gîcanjama Mugo, nyimbo ciake iria ciathakitwo mutambo-ini uyu wa Jeremy hingo iria muthuri wa Gîcanjama Reverend Gîcanjama Mugo atabanagia show ya mugate wa moyo thiini wa channel ino ya Jeremy, haria he could sing and play nyimbo cia Gîcanjama. Terry Simon akiuga the husband played her songs in KDM channel where he was hosting a show called Mugate wa Moyo. If anything went against the content, it's not Jeremy Damaris. Andũ na mafans ma Jeremy makeyumiria kuruta maoni mao on how to help Jeremy not to lose his channel, haria most of the YouTubers meyumiritie gutariria uria angika niguo channel ino yake ndigekore hatikaini ta ino. Thika Breaking News Digital agitariria possibility ya undu ta uyu akiuga this might be due to their songs if they were already been registered by copyright laws. If you play any music registered through copyright laws without giving disclaimers notice in line with copyright laws, YouTube and Facebook are currently very strict to this. Every time you play someone content, give credit and also disclaimer notice that the music you are playing is for entertainment purposes only in line with copyright law of 1976. Labda hata Gîcanjama hawajui chochote, but since they were already registered via copyright, that's why copyright law is automatically protecting them by flagging down any strange tune played not in line with the original version. Ni kubaya siku hizi ukicheza song ya wenyewe, hata kama waenda live streaming pahali kunachezwa muziki na watu, hata kama kanisani, weka disclaimer notice hapo juu ya live streaming that the music you are playing is for entertainment purposes only and not intended to infringe the owner's rights. Let my brother appeal to YouTube or Facebook before the deadline expires. I'm a victim to this and I know what I'm feeling, being flagged with strike notice which I don't know the outcome. May God forbid. Akiuga recently YouTube hamwe na Facebook ni makathikite mawatho makaru megie content creation. Uguo ni wega kuheana notithi ya disclaimer if you are not the original creator of that content. Haria Jeremy oritio ni George Thuo ati why not approach them privately first and try to resolve the issue. Crying on Facebook and brandishing their identity will do no good to you to calm your situation. Tukihoka Jeremy Damaris hamwe na Gîcanjama ni megusolve ndeto ici amicably niguo Jeremy athie na mbere kuruta wira wake, na ndukariganwo ni gusubscribe niguo twekira video njeru kamukagira uri wa mbere.